Welcome back. It's now time for a ray of hope. In this week's edition, we tell the story of toddlers being taught how to play dominoes in a bid to stimulate positive behavior and attitudes from a tender age. With that story, here's Kayan Morgan.
It's a pastime for many Jamaicans, but there's so much more to a game of dominoes. It's why here at the St. Margaret's Human Resource Center in Kingston, children as young as 2 years old are being taught the principles behind the sport. First Vice President of the National Association of Domino Bodies, Humbert Davis, says the game aids in mental and social development from a tender age.
Domino contain dot, line, pattern, and shape. It also said who, how, when, where, and why. How you play like that, partner? When you play like that, why you play like that, and where you play like that. That's how life is. And if we pattern that with our children, instead of protecting them, we prepare them.
Sixth former Ashley Clark, who has been playing since she was 5 years old, says that she's a living testament.
Domino taught me math, reading, because with the numbers and the dots, it has taught me mentally with thinking, because dominoes is a mental game, so we think how to play, when to play, and why to play. So that was and also helps with your behavior and conduct, because dominoes are a discipline game.
Mr. Davis says that this is why the association launched the play program in schools across the island, which aims to improve attitudes and behavior at the grassroots level. Principal Keno Dodd says his institution is already reaping benefits.
For some reason, the traditional method was not working out with these students. And when he brought this idea to the school, I realized a transformation. The students started to gravitate more towards what is being taught through this technique.
It would be a good initiative to move this into other communities across the island, having toddlers and different age groups playing, and then they transition into playing at the community level, and then they move into the big league where we host them at the national level.
Senior Program Coordinator at the Sports Development Commission, Terence Richards, says an initiative like this helps to occupy idle hands.
Ease tension in communities to let people participate actively in meaningful activities, and that kind of keep them out of harm's way.
Ashley says the game is all about unity.
Don't discourage your children if they want to play domino. It's a sport like anything else, not only football, netball. Dominoes are sports. Something I grew up on. I love dominoes.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.